Should you go on a princess cruise? Come with us and find out. Alright, so we've made it into our room. I don't know how I feel about this. It's actually smaller than I thought it was. Wish us luck. Cheers.
Vamos a la playa.
¿Dónde estamos, mamá? ¿A dónde? En el barco. Sí. Dale beso a la cámara. Day 3, first stop of the cruise. Where are we at, Tina?
Vamos a la playa.
I love you.
The tram.
Aguas de esta tierra, Pacífico es algo sin igual. Es necesario que toque mi mariachi.
Alright, so the verdict is in. Should you go on a princess cruise? And the short answer is no. Now, for the record, this was our first time on a cruise. It does attract an older crowd and is considered a premium cruise line compared to Carnival, Royal Caribbean, or even Norwegian. Now, that being said, the boat itself was beautiful. It just kind of felt like it was lacking entertainment and excitement, and really it just felt like it was an old people cruise. Now, some of the things we liked about the cruise were the food, the ship itself was nice, and the service was good. Some of the things we didn't like about the cruise was the entertainment and activities. It just kind of felt like there wasn't much going on, and there wasn't much going on at night either. There's actually times when we were bored. If your idea of a good time is rest, relaxation, and quiet, then this might be the cruise for you. Now, you're probably wondering why we went on an old people cruise. The truth is, we got a good price. Alright, thanks for watching. Catch us on our next adventure.